Welcome to Bettye's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you some homemade mayonnaise. I have a chicken here. I'm going to make one of my favorite chicken salad recipe. It's on my channel, so I'm not going to record the whole thing. I'm just going to show you how to make the homemade mayonnaise. And it's really good. If you have time to make this, it is a delicious recipe. So let me get started. Okay, these are the items that I will be using this morning. Immersion blender. I have like a little KitchenAid here. I'm gonna mix everything in. I have my oil that I'm gonna use, my eggs, sea salt right here. And my lemon. I have selected 2 eggs. Okay, let me separate the egg whites from the yolk. I'm putting the egg whites in another container. Go ahead and crack the next egg. And I'll do the same thing. And here is the egg yolk. And here's the egg white. I'm gonna put those away until later. I can use them for something else. Now I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze my half a lemon. Okay. I have 1 cup of avocado oil. I added a few drops to it. Add a little more. That's the last of the oil. It's the last of the oil. I have to hold this container. It's getting so Okay, now I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna add a little stevia to mine and some salt. I'm gonna add 1/8 teaspoon of salt. That's like a pinch of salt. Okay, I'm gonna add like a pinch of stevia to the blender, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend it up now. Okay, this is perfect based on how I like my mayo. But if you like yours a little bit saltier, add some more salt, okay? But this is how I like mine, and it is delicious. So, thank you for watching. If you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.